Hi everyone, and welcome to another Pranayama practice here today, specifically Nadi Shuddhi and Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Try and practice this practice in a well-ventilated space. Maybe open up your window or even be outside if you can, but wherever you feel most safe. Let's just first sit in a comfortable seated position, the one of your choice. Whether that's sat on a chair, sat cross-legged on the floor, or sat on your heels, just take a moment to find the place where your spine is comfortable and safe today. And once you've found that place, just arrive here, gently close your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your face, chin parallel to the ground. You can also bring your hands in chin mudra resting on your knees, index and thumb touching, facing up. But all of these are just suggestions. Listen to your body and its needs today and sit accordingly to the information you receive. Connect to a soft, slow breath through the nose and just sit in this soft and safe space as I share with you some basic instructions. These pranayama practices are wonderful practices to lower levels of stress and anxiety in the body by activating our parasympathetic nervous system, softly taking us out of a state of fight or flight. First and foremost, for any practice related to the breath, please do not push yourself. If you start to feel lightheaded, just take a break. Don't force or strain your breath during the exercise, especially during the breath retentions. And when we're breathing in and out, we're breathing softly, as if you're smelling a flower. Before getting into the practice, just simply notice if one of your nostrils is blocked. If so, then pause this video and take a few rounds of single nostril breathing. Close your blocked nostril, breathe in through your more active nostril. Close your active nostril, breathe out through the passive nostril. And do this 6 times. And then switch. Your nostrils will never be fully balanced. There will always be one more active than the other, but we want to close up that gap just a little bit. And just a few contraindications: if you have high blood pressure, severe pain in your abdomen, and an intense blockage in your nasal passage due to a cold, please consult with your doctor first before practicing this practice. As with all the practices I like to share, I would like to invite you to set an intention for this practice. You can visualize breathing in these calming, balancing new thoughts. And with every soft exhale out, you can visualize yourself softly letting go of these anxious thoughts. But please feel free to set the intention that makes the most sense to you right now in this moment. So let's get into the practice. We're going to start with Nadi Shuddhi, which is alternate nostril breathing with no retention between the breaths. And we're going to work our way up to Anulom Vilom, where there'll be some breath retentions. We're slowly working our way up. There is no rush. Now, before starting Nadi Shuddhi, let's just connect deeper to our breath. Just remain where you are. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground, soft face, eyes closed, hands in chin mudra resting on your knees. And connect to a soft, gentle breath through your nose. Feel your abdomen move out as you're breathing in, and feel your abdomen move back in as you breathe out. How does this soft breath feel? Is it making you feel more safe, more grounded? Just know that there is nowhere else you should be right now. And now, keeping your left palm in chin mudra, bring your right hand in Vishnu mudra. Index and middle finger reach towards the center of your palm. Pinky and ring finger up, and your thumb is up also. The ring finger and the pinky will be used to close our left nostril and the thumb our right. So maybe get used to this movement. If you're one of those people that feels a lot of tension in your shoulders, then you might want to loosen up that tension in your right side by simply holding up your right arm with your left arm, grabbing your right elbow with your left palm. And now when you're ready, just take a soft inhale in through both nostrils. Softly exhale it all out. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Breathe in through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close left and exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And final round of Nadi Shuddhi. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release your right hand back into Chin Mudra on your right knee and just take a couple soft breaths through both of your nostrils. Notice any difference in your body. Do you feel calmer? Have those anxious thoughts calmed down? Just check in with yourself. And remember as much as you can to stay connected to a soft, smooth breath. But be gentle with yourself. It's a process. Now let's get ready for Anuloma Viloma. Over the practice, we'll be slowly increasing the retention time between the inhales and the exhales. Bring your right hand back into a Vishnu Mudra. Take one full soft breath through both nostrils, abdomen, chest, neck. And exhale softly through the nose all the way out. Close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale softly through the left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both nostrils and retain the breath for 4 counts. Now exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain the breath for 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close both nostrils and retain the breath for 4. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain the breath for 4. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, retain for 6. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain for 6. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, retain for 6. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain for 6. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, retain for 8. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain for 8. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, retain for 8. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, retain for 8. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now gently release your right hand back into Chin Mudra on your right knee. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground. Soft face, eyes closed, soft breath. And feel the difference in your body. Does your nervous system feel more regulated? Do you feel less anxious? Are your thoughts moving at a slower pace? Just notice any difference in your body. Just be here in silence for the next minute or so. You don't have to be anywhere else. Breathe in softness and peace. Let go of the anxiety in your mind. Know that you are safe. And when you're ready, at your own pace, gently blink your eyes open to a soft gaze. Notice the world around you. Notice how safe you feel. And just know that your breath is always here to connect to. Thank you so much for practicing this practice with me. If you enjoyed this practice, please like this video, leave a comment on how it made you feel, and subscribe if you would like to practice more. See you in the next practice. Bye guys. I got bit by so many mosquitoes during this.